This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by obtaining the beat legally and technically ready. You confirm the license so your use is allowed, then download a high bitrate MP3 or WAV. Lower quality complicates editing. Once downloaded, open FL Studio and import the file into the playlist. Make sure the project BPM matches or approximates the beat BPM so time stretching is predictable. You want regions to align. This reduces artifacts later. Now mark a loop region and enable snap to grid so your first edits stay. Now you align and chop the beat into workable sections. You can run detect tempo on the audio clip or tap the tempo manually to refine BPM. This helps FL Studio gridlock transients. Once done, use the slice tool in the playlist to cut bar-aligned phrases. Keep bars and half bars for flexible arrangement. Then apply the stretch tool or open Edison for finer transient edits and resampling. Make sure to crossfade small overlaps to avoid clicks, and save patterns as clips for easy rearrangement. Finish by treating and exporting the track. You route the beat into a mixer track, apply corrective EQ to remove muddiness, then gentle compression and stereo widening as needed. This makes space for vocals. Once arranged verses, hook, transitions, add automation for volume and filter sweeps to create energy shifts. When ready, use export WAV or MP3 and choose dither for 16-bit masters. Check LUFS and avoid clipping. If phase or timing issues appear, revert to the sliced clips and restretch that region as a quick fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.